Hi friends, welcome to Predict the Unpredictable, where I give you important themes, topics which can come in the prelims examination 2026. Today in this lecture, I am going to discuss one of the most repeated, one of the most important themes from environment: protected areas. Guys, every year at least two questions comes from protected area, but the problem is the list is exhaustive and we don't know which topics we should focus upon. Guys, one way is to focus on those topics which has been in news, and today I am going to discuss some of the most important protected areas which is there in news in the last 1 week and which is very important. I am going to give you the reason, and also I am going to discuss the PYQs related to those topics so that you will understand why these topics are important, because UPSC question setters are asking questions on these topics multiple times. There are some topics which have been asked multiple times in the previous years and has again probability to come in the examination. Guys, this Predict the Unpredictable series is one of the most important series for the prelims examination, because last couple of years, guys, lot of questions have been coming from this series. You can visit my website OPTIMIZEIAS.com. I have given the link of all my YouTube videos which I made last year, from where direct questions have come in the prelims examination, and from this video also definitely one question is going to come. So guys, let us start. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to give you the context why this topic which I'm going to share with you is important. So guys, recently IUCN World Conservation Congress is going on, and there they have released one report. Name of the report is basically, you can see here, the name of the report is World Heritage Outlook Report. It is released by IUCN, and this World Heritage Outlook Report, they have mentioned, okay, Western Ghats and two national parks in India in significant concern list. That makes this topic very important. Also, they have mentioned Sikkim's Kanchenjunga National Park as very good. Okay, status is rated as good. So this is also very important. So I am going to discuss which are these two protected areas, and also there are four more protected areas which are mentioned, okay, which are basically, you can see here, okay, they are basically mentioned as good with some concerns. Okay, which are these? Great Himalayan National Park, Kaziranga National Park, Keoladeo National Park, Nanda Devi and Valley of Flowers National Park. So we are going to discuss all these national parks and the PYQs on these parks which have come in the past, and also I'm going to give you what kind of questions you can expect from this topic. So guys, first thing what you can expect a question on is IUCN World Heritage Outlook. Okay, which report? They will give the name of the report and they say which this report is brought out by which organization. This can be asked. Okay, so let us start our discussion. Okay, let us start our discussion. The first one is the Manas National Park. National Park. It is in the state of Assam. Guys, and it is located along the Manas River. Okay, and it is at the border of Bhutan. So it is what? It is a transboundary national park. Transboundary National Park. So you should know the name of all transboundary national parks in India. Manas is one of them. Guys, Manas is known for endemic species like pygmy hawk, hispid hare, golden langur, okay, which is very important, and guys, Bengal florican. Guys, you know, pygmy hawk is one of the most important species. They can ask you, okay, pygmy hawk is found where? Okay, Manas National Park. Very important, pygmy hawk. And guys, this Bengal florican also is in news. You know, guys, last year Supreme Court had passed a judgment on Great Indian Bustards and Bengal florican. So guys, Bengal florican is also very important. These are very threatened species. You may expect a question on Manas National Park, and you can expect questions on species which are found in Manas National Park. Remember guys, pygmy hawk and golden langur and Bengal florican. Okay, next you can see this question which has come in the prelims examination, and you can see, although the answer does not include the Manas, but Manas has been given in options. Guys, whenever one protected area is given in the options, then there is a high chance that they can be asked in the coming years. Okay, so always when you do the PYQ analysis, even if the the national park which is given, it is not the answer, but you should prepare that because that becomes very important for the coming year. And this year, since Manas has been in news in the IUCN report as a concern list, therefore Manas becomes very important, and the species which are found in Manas becomes very important, like pygmy hog. Very, very, very important pygmy hog. You can expect a question on that. Okay, let us move on to the next topic, guys. Next topic is the Sundarbans National Park. Guys, Sundarbans National Park is also a trans-boundary protected area, like Manas. Manas is a trans-boundary protected area between India and Bhutan, and Sundarban is protected area between India and Bangladesh. Guys, Sundarbans are very important because it is the largest mangrove delta in the world, and it is the only mangrove to have tigers. Here you can see the word only will be correct. Generally in UPSC what happens, only is incorrect, but here only will be correct because it is the only mangrove which is having the tigers. Also guys, Sundarban is a habitat of salt water crocodile and Gangetic river dolphin. Guys, salt water crocodile has been in news in the recent years, and definitely you can expect a question on salt water crocodile. Guys, Sundarbans are also Ramsar site. It is also Ramsar site. Very, very important. So let me ask you a question. Let me see how many of you are able to answer in the comment box. I need answers. Apart from the Sundarbans, where do you find salt water crocodile? Okay, and what is the IUCN status of salt water crocodile? Let me see how many of you are able to answer. Okay, I'm giving you a hint. It is in Odisha and one island in India. Let me see how many of you can answer this. Okay, you can see guys, although Sundarbans is not the answer is Nagarjun Sri Sailam, which is the largest tiger reserve in India, Nagarjun Sri Sailam. But you can see Sundarbans is given in the options. Whenever options are coming guys, those protected areas becomes very, very important because in future year you can have a question on them. Guys, remember Sundarbans is very, very important. Moving on guys, we have the Western Ghats. Guys, Western Ghats is the most important ecosystem which you need to prepare. Western Ghats is one of the most diverse, most biodiversity hotspot in the country and in the world. Western Ghats are very important guys. First thing what you need to know is Western Ghats are spread in how many states? So starting from Gujarat, we have Maharashtra, we have Goa, we have Karnataka, we have Kerala, we have Tamil Nadu. So we have 6 states. Next guys, Western Ghats, the rivers originating from Western Ghats, they can ask you guys Periyar, Krishna, Godavari, Bharatpuzha, and they can ask you what are the endemic species of Western Ghats. What are the endemic species of Western Ghats guys? We have the most important, the lion-tailed macaw, we have the Nilgiri tahar, we have the Malabar civets, and we have the Great Indian Hornbill. Why do you think this is important? Why do you think this is important? Let me give you the context. Guys, you can see this PYQ. You can see this PYQ which has come in the prelims examination. In which of the following regions in India you are most likely to see the Great Indian Hornbills? Guys, the answer is Western Ghats. So already they have asked question on the Great Indian Hornbill. Don't you think they can ask you question about the lion-tailed macaw? Definitely they can ask guys. Lion-tailed macaw is in news in recent years. Definitely chances guys, lion-tailed macaw. Okay, Malabar civets, they can ask you. Okay. Next you can see Gadgil committee report, Kasturi Rangan committee report, Western Ghats. So Western Ghats is a popular theme in the prelims examination guys. Let us move on guys, let us move on. Okay, so now guys, you know that this Heritage Outlook report of IUCN talks about heritage sites in India. Okay, so you should know which are the natural heritage sites in India. So guys, there are 7 natural heritage sites in India which I have listed in the table format guys in front of you. Okay, 7 are given. First one is the Great Himalayan National Park. It is in Himachal Pradesh. Guys, snow leopards are found here. Next one is the Nanda Devi Valley of National Parks. Guys, it is in Uttarakhand. The important characteristics of Nanda Valley is basically we find alpine vegetation here guys. Next is the Khasiranga National Park. It is in the state of Assam. One horned rhino and the Brahmaputra plains. Next one is the Manas National Park. It is in the state of Assam. Pygmy hawk, golden langur, and is a transboundary protected area. Next one is the Keoladeo National Park. It is in the state of Rajasthan. It is an important bird sanctuary. It is an important Ramsar site. And guys, it is a man-made site. Very, very important. Man-made site. Tell me the river which flows through the Bharatpur or Keoladeo National Park. Let me see how many of you can able to answer. Next one is the Sundarbans, world's largest delta. again a transboundary protected area. Next is the Western Ghats, which we have discussed just now, Gujarat and these 5 states, and it is a biodiversity hotspot. Okay, so now what we are going to do is that the other good with concern areas we are going to quickly go through. We are going to go through this, guys. First one is the Great Himalayan National Park Conservation Area, Himachal Pradesh, 2014. Guys, this is known for snow leopards. This is known for snow leopards. Guys, snow leopards you can see here, and Himalayan brown bear, very important, guys. Next one is the Nanda Devi Valley of Flower National Park. It is in Uttarakhand. Okay, this is known for what? Musk deer. This is known for what? Musk deer. Musk deer, snow leopard is also found. And guys, alpine vegetation. Alpine vegetation. You can see this question which has already come in the UPSC Prelims exam. Which of the following national parks lies completely in temperate alpine region? You can see again the options. Manas is given, Namdhapa is given, Neora is given, and Valley of National Park is given. Answer will be Valley of National Park. Very important. Okay. So guys, you can see 10 questions I am giving every day in my lecture series. Before we move on and we discuss some of the important sites other, guys, please do practice these 10 questions. These 10 questions are not just any common question. These are predicted questions prepared by someone who has cracked the prelims examination 6 out of 6 times, scoring one of the highest marks in the prelims examination to be scored in the last 10 years. Okay guys, this is very important initiative, guys, because you get predicted questions. Guys, I will be attaching a video at the end of this session where I will show you how many questions have come in my last series, which is Lux 2025. Also, I'm going to attach a link of the PDF. You can go through that. You will understand how this initiative is going to help you. Practice questions every day, guys. Daily practice is the secret to success in UPSC examination, guys. Okay, next, guys, Kaziranga. Kaziranga, guys, we all know Kaziranga is the most famous one. Kaziranga, it is basically one-horned rhino, guys. Okay, it's an important bird area also. Next one is the Keoladeo National Park, Bharatpur National Park, which is in Rajasthan, guys. It was basically a Maharaja's duck shooting reserve. It is known for, guys, Siberian cranes, which are migratory birds which come here. It is an important bird area, guys. It is a man-made area. Here I would like to ask you 2 questions. Okay, tell me the name of the British Viceroy which was associated with this Keoladeo National Park or Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary, and tell me the name of another Viceroy which was related to the Kaziranga. So these 2 protected areas, one Viceroy was related to them. Let me see how many of you are able to answer in the comment box. Okay, next one, guys, is you can see one question. Okay, this question is about floating vegetation. Which national park supports floating vegetation? The answer is Kebul Lamjao National Park, but here also you can see the options are given Keoladeo National Park. So guys, whenever options are given, that becomes very important. So you need to prepare Keoladeo National Park, guys. Okay, last one is the Kanchenjunga National Park. Kanchenjunga National Park is what? It is mixed heritage, both cultural and natural. That's why it becomes the most important protected area. It is in the state of Sikkim. Okay, it is in the state of Sikkim. Kanchenjunga is the 3rd highest peak of the world. Please do check this out. This is a fact. Okay, and next, guys, you can see here various vegetations which are found in here and various species which are found here. You can see snow leopard and red pandas. Guys, I would like to ask a question. Apart from Kanchenjunga, where do you find the red pandas? Let me see how many of you can answer. Okay, in the comment box, let me see how many of you can answer. This can be a probable question because red pandas have been asked in the prelims examination multiple times. Okay, and guys, here the community which is known is Lepcha community. Lepcha community, tribal community, guys. This is very important for the Buddhist also. Buddhist sites are there, guys. So like this, guys. Okay, we have covered all important protected area which was mentioned in the IUCN report, guys. We have gone through all of them. We can see here we have gone through the Manas, we have gone through the Sundarbans, we have gone through the Western Ghats, then we have gone through the Nanda Devi, we have gone to the Keoladeo, we have gone to the Kaziranga, we have gone to the Great Himalayan, and we have also gone to the Sikkim's Kanchenjunga. Sikkim's Kanchenjunga has been rated as good. These 4 have been rated as good with some concerns, and these are with serious concerns, okay, which is Manas and Sundarbans. So guys, again, I would like to just appeal to every one of you is, guys, start today. Start today. the Laksh series. Start today the 10 questions. Also guys, if you like this discussion, the manner in which I'm linking the PYQs with the current affairs, do consider hyping this video, sharing this video with a lot of students, because the more you share this video, the more you like this video, our YouTube channel also grows. So your growth and this channel growth has to be together so that we all can grow together. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care.